Claude Design just got the update that fixes things everyone complained about, and if you tried it once and bounced, this is your way back in. Today I will show you the 5-minute setup that 95% of people skip, build every template type live, and show you the 3 editing moves nobody finds. Let's get into it. Quick context: the old version burned to a separate credit pool and people quit because of it. The update runs it through your normal plan usage instead, which means you can actually iterate now without watching a meter. It's still in beta and it's on paid plans. Current requirements are in the pinned comments because these things move. Now let's actually use it properly. Head to the claude.ai and click design in the sidebar, or go straight to the design section from your dashboard. Now before you touch a single template, do the 5-minute thing that separates this looks AI generated from this looks like a real company. Click into the design system or brand settings depending on what you see. Upload your logo first. There's a sample one in the description if you don't have one. Now we will type, build me a design system for Acme coffee roasters, warm and plain spoken, colors that feel like morning light on a roastery, cream, terracotta, deep brown, 1 serif for headlines, 1 clean sans for body, nothing that says tech startup. That's it. Every single thing you make from now on inherits those colors, those fonts, that logo automatically. This is genuinely why most people's AI designs look like clip art from 9 different companies. They skip this screen. Now select the prototype template. And type that in, assign a page for the Acme coffee subscription, headline, 3 benefits, the monthly price, and 1 button, warm and minimal. Type that in and hit enter. Watch the right hand panel. It's building, headline, benefits, button, and it's live. Hover over the button, it responds. And notice, it's already on brand. Our colors, our font, we never mentioned them. The design system did that quietly in the background. Now let's do the whole tour fast. Go back to the templates. Pick flyer. Type a launch flyer for our new Ethiopian single origin. Now a social post. Type a 3-slide carousel announcing the same coffee. Now a slide layout. Type 1 title slide and 1 benefits slide for a wholesale page. Look at all of that together. Flyer, carousel, slides, prototype, same brand on every single one, and I never re-explained myself once. Here's what people miss: because they treat this like a slot machine. Generate, hate it, generate again. Move on, click edit. You can move things directly like any design tool. Move to, click tweaks and just change. Make the button dark green, watch it apply. And move 3, the sleeper nobody finds, click comment. Now click directly on the part of the design you want changed and leave a comment, exactly like you would for a human designer. This button gets lost against the background and it fixes that spot. You're not re-rolling anymore, you are art directing. That mental shift is the whole skill. A few honest things. First, what this is brilliant at: matching assets fast in one brand voice. That flyer is genuinely ready to send. Second, what it isn't, your final website. For that, you take the design into a real build and deploy it. And I have got a full video on exactly that. And third, it's beta. Buttons will move. The concepts in this video will hold. The exact clicks might not. Pinned comments always has the current details. Now we got the flyer, we got the social post, we got the slide layout, and here we have quick tips. First, set up the design system before your first design, not after. Redoing everything is the text for skipping it. Second, describe a feeling, not a hex code. Morning light on a roastery, gorgeous better colors that any code would have. Third, use annotate for anything positional, tweaks for anything global. Fourth, if an output feels generic, your brief was generic. Describe layouts you actually like. And fifth, save the outputs you love. They become your reference for the next time. And that's the Claude Design properly. You set up a design system, built a live prototype, made a flyer, a carousel, and slides, all on brand, and you learned to art direct instead of re-roll. If you want to take one of these designs and turn it into a real deployed website that we described in one of our previous videos, you can take one of these designs and turn it into a real deployed website. Subscribe for more, drop a like if this helped, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care, bye-bye.